Hey baby, welcome to another class with Miss Hope. I hope you're ready to learn today and I want you to get set. Today we're going to look at this interesting topic which is titled balanced diets. We're going to look at balanced diets. Now, before we begin, let's look at the objectives of this lesson. At the end of the lesson, you will identify the meaning of balanced diet. That you will know the meaning of balanced diet, and you will also identify examples of balanced diet and also identify meals that are balanced diets. Alright, now what is balanced diet? Balanced diet, it is the meal that contains food from the food groups in the right proportion. Remember we talked about food groups in our last lesson, and we said we'll have 3 food groups: energy giving food, body building food, and protective food. So the balanced diet must contain these 3 groups of food, just as you can see in the slide. It must contain the body building food, energy giving food, and also protective food. So when your food contains all these food groups, then you have a balanced diet. Now, balanced diet enables us to get all the required nutrients, without exceeding the recommended calories to be taken per day. So your food, if it must be balanced, it must contain all the required nutrients. Take note of this: every diet needs a balance of 3 main categories of nutrients. It must have carbohydrates, fats, and protein. So when your food has carbohydrates, fats, and proteins on it, then it means you have a balanced diet. Now take note of these kids. Junk food is not a balanced diet. When you always eat junk food, it is not a balanced diet. So take note of it. Always eat real meals and not junk food. And also sweets and biscuits, they won't make you to grow well. So take note of it. It is good you take real meals, then you will get the right nutrients. Now let's look at the examples of balanced diet. There are lots of examples. Let's look at some of these examples of balanced diet. The first we have here is stew, yam, and egg. Is a wonderful combination. Then we also have pounded yam, egusi soup, and meat. This is also a balanced diet. Then we have fish stew, rice, and fried plantain, which is called yododo. And after eating it, you can take it with orange juice. This is also a balanced diet. Then we have stewed beans and dodo. Don't forget, beans is protein, right? Good. So stewed beans and dodo, then you top it with pineapple juice. It is also a balanced diet. Okay, let's look at importance of a balanced diet. Why do we say balanced diet is very important? The first one here says it helps us grow well. It helps us grow well. When you eat balanced diet, you will grow well from being a baby to an adult. You won't easily fall sick. You will grow well. Another importance of balanced diet, it helps injuries heal fast. So when you get injured and you take balanced diet, within a matter of few days you are healed. The injury will become healed. So balanced diet makes our injury to heal fast. Then also it keeps us strong and healthy. So when you take balanced diet regularly, you will be strong and you will be healthy. You won't fall sick easily. Alright, the next importance of balanced diet is that it gives us energy for work and play. So you have energy to do your chores, your house chores, you have energy to play during play time. You won't feel weak at any given time. Now, let's look at some interactive questions before we say bye for the day. The first interactive question here says that the food we eat should contain dash. The food we eat should contain dash. A. Food groups. B. Only fats. C. Only junks. So the food we eat should contain dash. Great! The food we eat should contain food groups. That is wonderful. The next is dash is not a healthy food. That is not a healthy food. A. Dodo, rice and fish stew. B. Stewed beans and dodo. C. Junk food. So which of these is not a healthy food? All right, that is interesting. This shows you followed up the lesson. The right answer is C. Junk food is not a healthy food. Now I would want you to do this before I go. Write out one balanced diet meal on the comment section after watching this video, and I'll watch out for those of you who do this activity. Alright, so thanks for watching. Bye.